guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, first I'm going to be starting off with my It CC cream in the shade Fair. I just like to take a very little amount to start and then spread that all over. The CC cream is great for really dry skin. I find that it doesn't tend to cling to my dry patches. I don't put a very thick layer of it on, just because I don't need that much coverage. Even though I have red skin and stuff, it doesn't bother me if I have some of my imperfections showing through. I feel like it looks more natural that way when you actually let some of your blemishes show. As insecure as that can make you be, at least for myself, I tend to get the best result when I let some of my actual skin show through. And then I like to go over it with the beauty blender. It just helps because my skin's so dry to push that CC cream really into my skin, melt it in there, that way it's not sitting on top. Although the CC cream does a really good job of sinking into your skin, so it's one of the reasons why I like it so much. I still have some of my blemishes showing up, and that's fine. Next, I'm going to be going in with my concealer. You know, I'm really liking this concealer. I'm surprised I would like it so much. The Too Faced Born This Way foundation, just everyone raved about it, and it looks so shitty on me. It would sink into my smile line so bad. Huda, what are you doing? He's a good boy. Is life really hard for you? Yeah. I'm just going to be taking a little bit more of that concealer and popping just a little bit onto my eye because I like to use it for a primer. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Cover FX translucent powder, and I just like to take that very little, put it right under my eye, and then I'll set my lid with it as well. Prep a teeny bit more, set my smile lines with it. Taking some more of that powder on a fluffy brush and just kind of setting the rest of my face. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I'm just not good at putting them on, so bear with me. Alright, I got my brows on, and honestly, they are not even related today. So one's from one continent, one's from another, and that's just how it's gonna be today. You'll have to bear with me in my shitty brows. It's so weird too, because like usually this is my bad brow and this one's my good one, and today it's completely flopped. So I don't know, we just gotta roll with it. I did my brows today using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Blonde, and then I went in with my trusty 3D Brow Tones by Bennett. Alright, I'm so excited today to be taking the Neon Huda Beauty Palette in the shade Neon Pink. I've swatched with these colors just a little bit, and they're very pigmented, so some people haven't been liking this palette, but I personally love it, and I really recommend it if you love neon shades. They don't really have shade names, so I'll just have to show you the colors. First, I'm going in with this very vibrant Barbie pink. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it right in my crease. First, I'm going to pat it on. And then blend it out just because it's such a vibrant color. I'm gonna take this simple fluffy brush that came from one of the Anastasia palettes, and I'm going to dip into this neon pink shade here in the corner. It's kind of a peachy shade. I'm gonna dip into this very lightly and try to blend out this edge just a little bit. Going in with that pink from the before, popping it in there. Taking a clean blender shade, I'm just going to try to buff out that harsh line just a little bit, maybe with a little bit of translucent powder just because it is getting really close to my brow bone. I'm just going to take this Real Techniques and just try to kind of blend it out just a little bit, just so it's not so harsh right here. Now I'm going to go in with the shade from the bottom of the palette. It's like a purple with a blue reflect. It looks really pretty. I'm super excited. Giving me major Barbie vibes for some reason. Alright, now I'm going to take this little tiny pencil brush and take that original pink coral shade. I'm going to apply it right here under my lash line. I'm going to take the end of the little smudger brush from earlier that I used with the fluffy side, and I'm going to use that to smudge out this lower line. Alright, I'm going to take some of that neon purple, add that to my line. I think it's be a really fun kind of pop. Ooh. I'm actually going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, Spectra and Luna. I'm going to use that for my inner corner. Alright, eyes are done. I love how vibrant they are. I absolutely love this palette. I think it's just, you know, there's so many different things you can do. Like, you can do pink, purple. I love how these sparkly shades all have like a different undertone of like purple or pink to them. And this one, I think it, personally to me, it comes off a little blue, but it's definitely like purple with like blue reflex in it. It's so pretty. I love this palette, and I haven't tried it yet, but I also am going to be trying the orange one. I'm super excited for this one because orange is just, oh, to me that just screams summer, so I'm super excited. The only one I don't have is a green one. I just didn't like the green one. There was like, I think 2 or 3 mattes, and they're kind of all over the place, and I don't know, maybe I'll warm up to it, maybe I won't, but for now I have these two. This one I love so far. Pigments are amazing. I haven't yet to try this one. Maybe I'll do a tutorial or something with it, or get ready with me. Can you guys see Coda? Coda, what you doing? He likes to be on the bed when I'm filming. It's really cute of him. I'm going to be going in with bronzer. The bronzer I'm going to be using is the Huda Benefit. I've had this bronzer for so long, but oldie but goodie. It just blends really well. I really want to try the Huda Light Bronzer, because this one, even when I'm pale, I can still wear it. I definitely have to be careful and not go overboard because it can look muddy on me if I'm not careful. It's really good in the summer once I've developed a tan, but during the spring or winter time, sometimes it can be a little bit more challenging to work with. now I'm going to set my face with a mist. I'm going to be going with the Anastasia Dewy Set. I really like this. This is new. I bought it 2 months ago. This was like my personal birthday gift to me because I really want it because I love sprays. I can never get enough sprays. Anything that's going to add moisture to my face, I'm just throwing my money at it. It also faintly smells like coconut, and I really like that. I don't know if that's an actual thing or that's just me imagining it, but I really like the smell of it. It has such a clean, fresh... I don't even know why I'm bothering explaining it. It's not going to happen. For highlight, I think I'm going to play into this purple and pink. So I'm going to go back in with that Aurora palette that I used earlier. And I'm going to go in between the shades Spectra and Luna. Oh, that does come off purple. I didn't see the purple in my inner corner, but can you see that? I didn't see the purple in my inner corner, but man, it really comes off purple in the face. I bought this, no shit, for 15 bucks at TJ Maxx like a year and a half ago. Man, gotta love TJ Maxx for getting those eyeshadow palettes. I know they were selling the Subculture there for like 20 bucks and I really wanted to get it, but I can never find one that was not tampered with. Okay, I'm not going to take the purple, I'm just going to take the white Luna shade, very gently tap off the excess, and just put a little bit on my Cupid's bow. I already look pretty dewy from that spray, so don't want to overdo it. For lips, I'm going to be going in with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. I really like this lip gloss. It smells like kind of like a vanilla bean. Bless you. And I think it's a really universal color. I like that it's kind of a your lip color but better, and that's like, you guys know, it's very suiting for me. I'm not a huge lipstick fan. Alright you guys, that is a look. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want to see the tutorial on the orange neon Huda Beauty palette. I really want to get my fingers into that and do some looks with that, so I'm excited to use it. Also, I had an idea. I was thinking of maybe doing some vlogs about, you know, my cancer treatment and what I go through, because I know some people are curious. I got a couple of private messages on my Instagram which really surprised me, so I think I might start doing that, like a what's in my chemo bag, and maybe if I feel up to it. I'm usually pretty sick the day of and a couple days after, but I thought maybe I would vlog like what I go through the day of treatment, you know, the process of getting into the hospital, getting checked in, getting set up, and accessing my port, what the process is like, what I do. And yeah, if you find that interesting, please comment below, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to make more videos for you guys.